Hey traders out there in trader land. Have you ever had one of those days where you're trying to figure out something technically that and you can't do it? I'm looking at TradingView right here and I can't get my watch list to pop up, so this should be interesting. Alright, well, let me first say this, guys. Happy Father's Day to all you guys who are fathers and also stock traders, but we're going to take a look here. We're going to take a look here at the S&P 500 Spider ETF. And as we do that, I want to take a look at this. And right now, I can't get it to candlesticks. Why? Because I don't have my panel up. I can't figure out how to do this. I've searched for it everywhere. I'm just done. I just want to get this video out there, everybody, because I missed last week. Sorry. But if you look here, this line chart on the Spider daily chart, we're up, making all-time record highs again. But the one thing I want to do show everybody is look at the volume drying up. Do you see this average line on volume? Well, this average line on volume, look how the average volume has been decreasing as it's going up. Think of a jet going up, but taking power off the throttle. So will this stall and drop? We have a high chance of that happening. High chance of that happening just because if you're going higher, you want to see volume increasing, but as long as we're staying above these moving averages, all is well. But I'm seeing some divergences taking place here. The MACD divergence is here. We're overbought on the RSI. And then I have my Grok one looking at. We had a sell signal, and then we have a divergence taking place. Not liking what I'm seeing here. Let's go to the Qs quickly. Look how we have AI driving this, gang. AI driving this, going straight up. Volume is very light, guys, on these new highs. We have a divergence on the MACD, way overbought on relative strength indicator. So guys, my point in saying all this is be very careful being long in this environment because we have an opportunity to stall out and to drop. We got to be really, really careful here. Look at inflation, look at the economy, look at what's taking place, but we're seeing an uptick in jobless claims, guys. Anytime you have an uptick in jobless claims and you have a GDP coming in at a lower level than inflation. So guys, don't let this get by you. What I'm getting ready to share with you is very important. People are being lulled asleep here. I feel like the bulls are going to be like the frog. How do you cook a frog? You just turn on the heat slowly and they will stay in the pot. We're going up, making these record highs. GDP was downgraded to 1.4, so GDP's down. Inflation is higher than that. Anytime you have that environment, bad things can happen. Extra bonus points to anybody who can tell me how to get my watch list back on TradingView. I've got some strong contacts with TradingView. Matter of fact, you want to do something cool, go to YouTube, go to TradingView, look for Des Woodruff. That's my name, Des, D-E-S. Look for the trend line interview that I just did with them. So TradingView contacted me. I did a trend line course with them, and it has gotten more views than I think a majority of other interviews that they have done. Very appreciative of that. So the long and short of this is the markets keep going up. We have jobless claims now increasing, GDP decreasing, inflation starting to tick higher. Those are all tells. One of the charts I do like to look at here, and I'll share this with you right here at the end, this is the bond yield inversion. Anytime this blue line, we have a bull flag here, anytime this blue line comes up and gets above this line where it heals itself, no longer inverted, if and when that happens, will tell us that a recession should be imminent at that point. But as long as it stays down here, all is well. Markets can keep tracking higher. But what we do know to be factual is each and every time that the inversion happens, there's always a big market correction. So with that, I hope that you appreciate this video. Give me a like if I've earned it. And I appreciate each and every one of you. And yet again, dads, fathers, for you daddies that are out there who are stock traders, Hey, happy Father's Day to you. Have a great week. Let's trade with a lot of caution here. Be very careful at these highs that we're seeing. All the best. Guys, why are you still here? You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. Or learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing, though, is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you were going to learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not going to read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle and with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you're a trader, you rate you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.